Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. And this video I will show you how to use data saver on Google Pixel 6a. First of all, open your settings and choose the network and internet option on the settings. Here you can see the option data saver. Choose the data saver option. In the data saver, to help reduce data usage, data saver prevents some apps from sending or receiving data in the background. Here you can choose the applications for your data saver option. Choose the required applications to add in the data saver and tap on the toggle and turn it on. By doing this, you can use your mobile data more conveniently and accurately. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.